What is going on, guys? So last time we talked about regular expression in Python, and I showed you how we can use regular expression in Python to match a specific string from a long text. That's nice and all, but there wasn't much we could do except accepting a string in a long text. So what else can we do in regular expression? In this video, I will show you some examples of regular expression that will help you understand the full potential of it. So the first example is asterisk. It is used to represent any number of characters. So suppose I want to write a regular expression that will accept the set 1 1 or 1 0 1 or 1 0 0 1 and so on. Then I can write it in the form 1 0 asterisk 1. If I want at least 1 0, then I can use 1 0 plus 1. So let's try this 1 0 asterisk 1. If I save it and run it, this will accept 1 1 and 1 0 0 0 1. However, it won't accept 2 0 1. And if I want at least 1 0, then I can use plus operator and it won't accept 1 1 anymore. If you have studied theory of computation, then this is similar to finite state automation. The second operator I want to show you today is dot operator. It is used to represent any character. So say I want to accept all the string in the set 1a1 or 1b1 and 1c1 and so on. Then I can write 1.1. Let's try this. If I run this and provide 1, z and 1, then this accepts this. Say there are multiple characters between first and last characters. For example, my name is very hard to spell. Even my friends sometimes can't spell my name. However, it is easy to remember my name begins with K and ends with J. So I can use dot and asterisk operator to represent number of characters between K and J. So let's try this. If I save it and run it, it accepts. So this is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. As always, do not forget to like, share and comment.